Yeah.
Yeah. You decide when how much you like and.
Just gonna
Yes, a bit much, but it's okay. You cannot do anything now. The more you do, if you try to fix it,
yeah, you can just put on it.
yeah, yes, leave them down. Yeah.
This is no.
No, it's different. Yeah, it's just different. You know, you get the two different, the more intense
Yeah.
colors, and then the matte ones. Yeah, perfecto.
Just aquí.
Yeah, 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 maybe just go this way. And the holes, just make sure you go over the hole.
Fix it up. Suck it all in.
Then just make sure don't have the bubbles. Oops.
Ooh.
So you're right.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Oh. Now Bola is ready for her factory. Oh,
Oh, look
my
at that. Wow.
Can you imagine?
Beautiful, Bola.
Yes. So did you learn sewing? Is it inborn or you learned it from?
Well, my grandma, I think it's my grandma's energy.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I was younger, I didn't like to play with dolls, but I got a...
God bless women. Yes, see or no?
Yeah,
Okay.
vas bien.
Vale, gracias.
I'm very happy that you speak Spanish.
Oh, poquito, eh? Porque don't start anything, eh?
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. Yay.
Thank you.
Thanks to you. Look at those colors. Perfect. Perfecto.